don't stray, people don't stray, people don't fight, people don't fight. Obsessed with your destination, you might miss your life. I'ma miss your life. Take a breath to clear your mind. Drop your stress, relax, and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Just enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride.
See, I ain't the one. Don't need no bad vibes. Life is too short and not too way high to get stressed out or have a bad time. So put some sense in your pipe and enjoy the ride. All of us must enjoy breaking them off a chunk of love. Family ruling the pace of feeling no stress and feeling no tug. So take a ride and stride and drop all the worries of life. And if I die next week, then please continue the ride.
People don't stray, people don't fight, people don't fight. Obsessed with your destination, you might miss your life. I'ma miss your life. Take a breath to clear your mind. Drop your stress, relax, and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Just enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. One life to live, and I know. Me just hold tight, Jaja take control. Higher guidance can be bought or sold. Enjoy your journey, destination unfold. Cause I know things that I will always change. Change like the tide, it might seem strange. When me walking through, I know. Jaja at the wheel, me magic take control. Hey.
Bamba da bing ding ding. I'm better when the bong bell ding ding ding. That means that I'm on a good ride, and so I sing. It's time that I run, I'm on a D-ring, and all the way pack and bring a boatload of pride. Now here we be.
People don't stray, people don't stray, people don't fight,